2017 Nissan 370z. Look at that sexy car. What we did is ran 2.5 inch all the way back into two MAGNAFLOWs there and there, then 2.5 inch pipe out the back on each side. So basically we converted it to a 2.5 inch system. The only thing we reused is his MAGNAFLOWs, MAGNAPACKS, and then he also had 4-inch tips that we reinstalled there and there, blue flame. So tips and MAGNAPACKS is the only things we used. And it's got high flow cats on it, so it should sound really, really nice, guys. We'll let you guys hear it in a second. And like always, guys, please like, comment, and subscribe. 2017 370Z, 2.5 inch MAGNAFLOW system, custom bent, MAGNAFLOW MAGNAPACKS. Go ahead. Much better. Go ahead. Again. Go on and back it out. I like the look of it too. That wing is awesome. What do you guys think? Let us know in the comments. Let you hear on the inside. (2017). She sounds good though now. Man, the job that was done on it. Did you? There were bolts and.
Yeah, I saw. Yeah.
Sucks, man. Too nice of a car to have work done like that on.
Yeah.
We cleaned it up a lot.
True dual, right?
Yeah, we true dualed it all the way back.
Now come get my true dual now.
Yes, sir.
At the back end, though. I see the front end.
Yeah. I'll show you the video after if you want.